Hello everyone, in this video we have been given x square plus 2x into root x minus 1 divided by x equal 3x plus 1. X belongs to R. Now we are going to find the value of x. Answer: x square plus 2x into root x minus 1 divided by x equal 3x plus 1. Now divided both sides by x, then we get x square plus 2x into root x minus 1 divided by x equal 3x plus 1 divided by x. X square divided by x equal x plus 2x into root x minus 1 divided by x equal 2 into root x minus 1 divided by x equal 3x divided by x equal 3 plus 1 divided by x. X minus 1 divided by x plus 2 into root x minus 1 divided by x minus 3 equal 0. Let root x minus 1 divided by x equal p greater than equal 0. Then x minus 1 divided by x equal p square. Then p square plus 2p minus 3 equal 0. p square plus 3p minus p minus 3 equal 0. Common p into p plus 3 minus 1 common, minus 1 into p plus 3 equal 0. Then p plus 3 into p minus 1 equal 0. p plus 3 equal 0. p equal minus 3. p minus 1 equal 0. p equal 1. p equal minus 3 less than 0. Reject. Then p equal 1. p equal root x minus 1 divided by x equal 1. Squaring on both sides, then we get root x minus 1 divided by x whole square equal 1 whole square. Then x minus 1 divided by x equal 1. LCM x, then x square minus 1 divided by x equal 1. X square minus 1 equal x. X square minus x minus 1 equal 0. X equal minus into minus 1 plus minus root minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 divided by 2 into 1 equal 1 plus minus root 1 plus 4 divided by 2 equal 1 plus minus root 5 divided by 2. Thus, our answer x equal 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 or 1 minus root 5 divided by 2.